Alright guys, welcome to another hopefully fun review and tutorial on how to mount stuff. So in this case I'm going to mount these little propeller guards onto the DJI Mini 2. As you can see here on the right, I've already mounted it. I've already mounted some on this arm, but I want to make sure that you guys know that they are a little bit different. So this is for the back one right here. You just open it up right here, and it's very well labeled A1. And how this works is, first of all, I like to turn it this way so that the propellers are kind of falling down a little bit, so that you can put it right through here without risking damaging anything. Once you've put it in place, you can just push this down, and when you hear the click, that's all. And this is for the back propellers, and for the front propellers I do the same thing, except this time you want to have your propellers on this side, because you want to stick this part into the slot first, and once you're there, then you see this can happen where the propellers go up there, and you don't want that. You want to make sure that then you have those propellers go in here first, so that that doesn't mess anything up. And once that's down and in place, then you can. So the front one is going to be a little bit harder than the back one to install, but once you have it down, then you can push this in place. And that looked a little bit awkward, but it is doable. So good. Now you have the rear and the front all installed. These things seem to be pretty sturdy. One thing that I don't particularly like is that this can flop around a lot. So it could have been good to have maybe like a little part that went from I don't know how it would have gone. Maybe from here to here or something. But I don't know, because this could flap around a lot, and my concern is that if you do something wrong, this could flap into the propeller and damage them. But yeah, anyway, hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll let you know how it flies in a different video, and I'll see you in the next one.